Want to take your Shopify store to the next level by adding wholesale options? In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to set up wholesale pricing for your store and attract bulk buyers. So let's get started. First of all, what I need to do, of course, is a few prerequisites for the wholesale setup. First of all, what I need to do is to have an active Shopify plan. Now, the plus is recommended for the B2B feature. If I go directly into my settings once I logged into Shopify and I focus directly into the plan element, you should see that we have this basic element. So if you wanted to, you can go for change your plan. And you can see that we have the basic, the Shopify, the advanced, and the plus. Now the plus is where we can actually do the wholesale or B2B element. So make sure that you have selected the plus plan. After that, what you can do, if you wanted to, you can try it out, of course, for a free taste. And then you need a wholesale application or a custom code in order to continue. And lastly, there's a product pricing strategy that you need to have into your store. So to get started with this specific process, let's of course go back. Let's go into my Shopify. Let's sign in into my account. And once you are in directly into Shopify, the next thing, of course, is to install a wholesale application. So let's head over here for this section that says application. Into the upper side, I'm going to type apps. Let's go for wholesale. Now let's go for search wholesale into the Shopify App Store. You can see that we are now inside the Shopify App Store element. So what you need to do, of course, is to install your chosen application, and we will configure it together. So once installed, you can create a new customer group for your wholesale buyers. There's a lot of elements that you can try out. For example, here's the wholesale gorilla. There's the wholesale pricing discount B2B. There's the BSS. There's the semi B2B. There's a wholesale, and there's so much more. So let's try it out with something that is free to install. There's a free plan available and has really great ratings. Let's try out, for example, with this one, which is to be with wholesale solutions, and this one is built for the Shopify. I'm going to confirm my email, go for next, and this is the part where we can look out for solutions we are more interested in. For example, if you're looking for verification and improvement of the B2B customer, if you're looking for shipping, order invoice management, promotion, currency, and much more. Let's try it out with the registration management, custom pricing, promotion, and I think exempt display text. This is, of course, depending on what you're actually trying to do with your wholesale solutions. Now, we needed to enable the app embedded into our store. Let's click into enable app embedded. And this one should be sending us directly into the editor of the Shopify. What I need to do is to make sure this one is active. Now let's go into the upper right side, go for save. Once this one has now been successfully saved, I'm going to close this, go back, and go for finish. Make sure this one is successful. Now we are inside these BSS B2B solutions. I have now pinned this element, and here is my new setup guide. So let's get started now with the restricting access to the wholesale customers. So we can restrict access to wholesale collections. We can use customer tags to allow only registered wholesale buyers to be purchased from the wholesale collection. We can do this, of course, by first of all creating registration form, which is like the very first thing that we need to do here into our store. For example, here is the registration form. Available on essential plans, you can choose whatever you wanted to. I'm gonna head over directly to the order management. Here's the discount codes, here's the B2B pricing, and that will be actually it. Now let's go back. I needed to check this marked. We have now installed this directly into our store. I'm gonna head back, of course, to make sure this one has now been featured. I enable the feature. Now check this out. We are going to be using this custom test of a website, so you can check out what happens with the customization of the wholesale. So for example, here is the wholesale one product. This is for all the customers, and this is for B2B customers. So they're not paying more for it, right? They can focus for the registration forms. Here it is. You can go for view the demo, so you can see the custom form, the business information, the general info. Here's the custom price, one price for all. For example, here it is, the discount by 20%. Here's the discount once again. We can watch it out the demo, and let's try out with, for example, this product. Like this is the wholesale of it, and this is the actual retail price for the companies. And into the upper side, we have the elements that we can enable, of course, once we have installed it. For example, the quantity, the amount break, the order limits, the tax displays, discount codes of a specific product, and you can check out a live demo where you can schedule a call so they can be helping you to check out the personalized business solution and how this one is applied to your store. Now, basically, if you wanted to, let's say, book a call, or you wanted to know how to use it, there is an actual guide of how you can actually get started with the bird-to-bird solution. But basically, to make this actual wholesale, it's much more faster to use it, of course, within a specific plan, which in this case it is the Shopify store. Here is enable the plan. Just make sure this one is enabled. Go directly into change your plan. Make sure that you have active the plus button as just a trial mode, and you're actually good to go. So lastly, you need to just to test your setup, log in as a wholesale customer, navigate your store, ensure the price and the product visibility, check out the rules, everything is working correctly, right? And well, that is how we can actually add the wholesale directly into my Shopify store. So if this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Once again, if you want a specific walkthrough of how we can actually do this process by using a plus plan, you can let us know into the comments below so we can try it out directly with the plus plan directly into Shopify. So thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Hopefully we can see you next time.